too much.
This is awesome.
I said we should sell swings. $5 a swing. Everybody can vent their frustrations.
Alright. Just do this on the bottom part. Ow.
You didn't even dent it. You have the sledgehammer swing of Layla.
Well, I'm just a little concerned that I don't want to drive
Go through the kitchen ceiling. Oh my God, Terry.
That sledgehammer just came up right here.
Well, I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to go and see it sticking out the side of the house.
I don't want to see it go ooh and go through the back of my head.
Whose idea was this?
I don't know.
Did Steve tell you to do this?
They said that's the only way to get it out. The thing is, you can't see. I'm tempted to do this. I had like 8 pieces hit me in the face.
You better put some glasses on, tard.
Yeah, okay. You know what I was thinking is maybe we should take the caulk out from around the edges. That way it'll snap off the edges.